Time tracking is the front half of the job. Billing is where it gets real. Federal leadies, trust, retainers, multi-currency, all in one product. Hartwell bills 8 clients across 5 different patterns. Priya runs operations, so the invoices page is her home base. Rows are grouped by status: draft, sent, paid. Click New Invoice. Pick a client. Simple Time pulls every approved billable hour since the last invoice, groups by project, and renders a draft. Priya reviews, edits if needed, and ships. For the Meridian Federal engagement, Priya needs LIDA's 1998B with an SF PIN 034 voucher. Click Export, pick LIDA's. The file comes out formatted with the voucher attached as a PDF. Crestview Legal pays from a trust account. Simple Time tracks the retainer balance, applies invoices as drawdowns, and writes a double entry ledger that survives a bar audit. Bayshore Capital pays $25,000 a month for up to 80 hours. The retainer panel shows hours used and what rolls over. Overages bill at standard rate. Foothill Insurance's Canadian subsidiary pays in CAD. Simple Time locks the FX rate at invoice time and shows both currencies on the PDF. The accounting export posts in the home currency. 5 billing patterns, 1 product. Next section, the AI features that catch billing problems before clients do.